Question number 1. Who is the current governor of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option C. Syed Abdul Nazir. Question number 2. Who is the current Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option A. Nara Chandrababu Naidu. Question number 3. Who is the current Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option D. Pawan Kalyan. Question number 4. Who is the current Speaker of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly? Right answer is option C. Chintakayala Ayana Patrudu. Question number 5. Who is the current Deputy Speaker of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly? Correct answer is option B. Raghurama Krishna Raju. Question number 6. Who is the current Agriculture Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option A. Kinjarapu Achinaidu. Question number 7. Who is the current Education Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option B. Nara Lokesh. Question number 8. Who is the current Health Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option C. Satyakumar Yadav. Question number 9. Who is the current Transport Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option A. Mandipalli Ramprasad Reddy. Question number 10. Who is the current Finance Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option D. Payavula Keshav. Question number 11. Who is the current Home Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option B. Bangalpudi Anita. Question number 12. Who is the current Minister of Mines and Geology in Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option A. Kolu Ravindra. Question number 13. Who is the current Panchayat Raj Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option A. Konidala Pawan Kalyan. Question number 14. Who is the current Minister of Women and Child Welfare in Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option B. Gumadi Sandhya Rani. Question number 15. Who is the current Minister of Water Resource Development in Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option C. Nimala Ramanaidu. Question number 16. Who is the current Minister of Human Resource Development in Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option C. Nara Lokesh. Question number 17. Who is the current Council Chairman of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option B. Koe Mosenu Raju. Question number 18. Who is the current Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option A, Kevti Vijayanand. Question number 19. Who is the current Director General of Police in Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option A, Harish Kumar Gupta. Question number 20. Who is the current Chief Justice of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh? Right answer is option D, Dheeraj Singh Thakur. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Education World.